Good morning. I'm Ravi Chafalkar from Wall Products, India. I'm the general manager of the company. Wall Products is a multinational with parent company in USA, and we own a lot of brands like Red Hot and Pax, and so many brands are there owned by Wall Products. We have presence all over the globe. We have factory in India also, and India factory is catering to the need of Pacific, Asia Pacific and SAARC countries. And we are basically in the sale and manufacture of engineering equipments required for livestock and horticulture. In horticulture, we have greenhouses as well as horticulture range. At the same time, we are there in poultry, then dairy, and in swine house also. And we are 100% American company, and we are introducing the latest range of products in India, and which are upgraded technology, the latest technologies, and for the advancement of the poultry, swine houses as well as dairy. The equipment that we have, the range of wide category of the equipment that we have are mostly we are in automation. We have automatic drinking, automatic watering, automatic debeaking. Then we have EC system, environmental control systems. We have high pressure fogging systems, low pressure fogging system. We have incinerators required for poultry, which are suitable for carcass as well as for eggshells. We also have silos. We have automatic filling systems and automatic heating systems, which are different kind of heating systems. Like we also have infrared heating systems and conduction heating systems. Infrared heating systems, we have a lot of a range of heaters. In everything, like in every fans or anything, we have a very wide range which is suitable for poultry in domestic market, Indian market, as well as overseas market also. We are basically a quality product system. We are having excellent quality controls. Our quality standards are of international quality, and our quality that we sell it in India is same as what we export out of India. And our quality consciousness within our workmen is excellent. Our technicians are trained overseas for maintaining our systems, providing service to the customers, and we have very trained sales staff to cater to the need of the customers. In addition to that, we also conduct programs, training programs for our customers, for our distributors, for the technicians of the distributors and customers, everybody. We are a good company, progressive company. We have very good market, very good scope, and our products are becoming more and more popular, and we are trying to penetrate at every corner of India. See, we are participating in Poultry India exhibition since beginning, and we notice that day by day, year by year, the response to this particular exhibition is very good. The basic feature of this particular exhibition is all the equipment manufacturers are available in one expo, and then customers can compare the products, compare the quality, compare the pricing, and they can know more details about the products. They can know innovative products introduced by each exhibitor in the market, and it is a very good system. And what we notice is the customers are more, the inquiries are more getting converted into orders in this expo, because there are more customers that only inquiries in this expo. In other expos, what we notice is 60 to 70% of the inquiries are just inquiries. They are for more information, not getting converted into order. Whereas in this particular expo, we notice that the customers are 70 to 80%, and they are really genuine customers, and they are interested to buy the product. That is what we notice. For more information about my company, which is an American company, Wall Products India, you can log on to my website. I have 3 different websites. The websites are www.wallcompanies.com. Second website is www.wall-co.com. Third website is www.wallproducts.com. Thank you.